Good evening, everyone. The day is finally here. This is the official release date for PC Building Simulator 2, a game that I have been very excited since they announced it back in March, I do believe. Playing the beta in June, I think it was for you guys, was fantastic. A great taste of what they updated and implemented in this one. So the game is finally here. It's fully released on Epic Games. And I think now until the 1st of November, there's a 10% discount on the Epic Games Store. So you can pick it up a little bit cheaper if you order it. The day I'm recording this is the release date, October 12th. So you have just about a little bit less than a month, but still a couple of weeks away. So without too much hype, without too much to say, we're just going to jump into it. And we'll see what happens. No, I actually have to. So you can't just click create. You actually have to click the new game. I just realized that. Let's start a new game then. But I hope everybody is doing fantastic today. Whatever day you watch this, whatever day you're seeing this, I hope you're having a great day today. Hope everything's going well. And we'll see how long it takes us to load into this. It took a little bit longer than I thought. Local fire. Suspicious. Well, that's not a good sign. Welcome to PC Building Simulator 2. It's a new day and a new shop. It might not look like much, but it's all you have since the old one mysteriously burned down. Read the note from Uncle Tim to find out more. You mean my shop just burned down? I worked so hard on that thing. And let's read the notes. So I guess you've seen the old shop, or what's left of it. Sorry I wasn't there to take the edge off the shock, but I've got a meeting with the insurance company to discuss the fire. Apparently they think it might have been deliberate. What a crazy idea. Well, I don't know, Tim. You're about to leave me with nothing, I bet. Well, it's lucky I had this old place as a standby. Managed to rescue the PCs I was working on before the fire. With them all here, you'll still need to fix them and collect the money. The customers question the smoky aroma, just tell them you had to solder something. Well, geez, that's not, sketchy at all, Tim. Also knew you need a shop computer, so I've sent one of mine over. Should have arrived by now. Check the delivery area at the back of the workshop. Fair warning, it doesn't work. So I have a computer that doesn't work from Tim's Red Hot Repairs. You may just need a new GPU, so I've sent one of those over too. The best money can buy. Best 20 bucks can buy. Anyway, get it fixed up, plug it in, check your emails. Oh, she also mentioned I had to borrow $15 this morning for breakfast. Okay. So he sent us a computer that we have to fix before we can actually get started. And he took $15 from us. Thank you, Tim. I would say I appreciate it, but I don't appreciate it. Oh, 3080. Okay, that actually is pretty decent. Thank you, Tim. Let's not ask how you managed to get a hold of it. No, I think I want to know. How did you get a hold of this, Tim? Should be somewhere in this corridor. Oh, it's right there. And take it to the workbench. Left click on the PC, put in build mode. So a lot of the controls are the same, which I kind of hope, because you kind of get used to them. One thing that never made sense to me was right clicking to pick up the PC and left click to place it. I don't know why it's not the same. But that's just one of those things I've never really understood. But hey, if it works, it works. Click that to open that. And we're installing a graphics card. Put in the PCIe lock or PCI lock. And cables. Ooh, it's a beefy boy. Come on, you could plug up cables while you do this. Let it start turning on. But no, we gotta figure out what this is doing. Oh, the microphone lights up. That just sounds clean. Welcome to your email. Where all your jobs messages and offers will arrive. Check it every day for new jobs. So the email. So customize. So we have customized jobs, water cooling, the virus scan. I do like the new filter system. I actually really like this. Because there are some jobs that toward, I guess, the early mid part of PC Build Sim 1, like the ones where you had to find a certain 3D mark score and stuff. I didn't like those at all, because it really didn't give you like anything to go off of other than, hey, I don't care what you do, just hit this score. So now I can filter those out. But the easiest ones are virus jobs. Greetings. My name is Pisante, and I'm an urban aesthetic innovator, artist, an artiste. I'm currently working on a ambitious project about perceptions of danger. I need my PC to be painted completely red. That's something you can do. Yes, I can paint things. So right now we're just kind of working through the tutorial, teaching us how to do kind of what we already know how to do. I mean, granted, if you did play the first one or you play the beta, everything is very much the same. But if you're brand new to the game, welcome. It's a fantastic game, and I'm glad you're either watching this video to think about getting it, or you're just excited for the game like I was. You're ready to begin? Get the PC. Take it to the workbench. Once any virus is removed from the PC, luckily you use the USB stick to loaded with virus removal software. Hey look, I have one in my inventories. I see my add to the graphics and a keyboard somewhere. And P for power. And it can go boots up to the operating system, which is always nice. You still have to reboot. Oh my gosh. So one of the biggest things about the original game is after you installed apps, you had to reboot the computer, which I don't really know where that ever came from. Because after you just install a file, it's there like it is now. So I'm glad that they changed that, like incredibly glad, because it wasn't like incredibly annoying, just irritating enough. Oh, I can't take my program back. Pick it up, just jerk everything out, place it back in the corridor. And hey, we got some money in the bank now finally. Thank you, Tim, for taking it from us. On to the next job. The other PCs on the workbenches are now available. So see what they want and complete, earn some extra cash. That one's, yeah. Set all RGB lights to rainbow effect set to walk mode. Really? I don't think, I'll do this one last because this actually sounds really cool. This one's on its way. Let's see the rainbow lights. The orange LEDs on my computer to match my goldfish, but I've recently expanded my aquarium to include a variety of other fish. Now your PC no longer matches. Can you do rainbow lights? Yes. Yes, I can. Welcome to the Lighting app. Lighting app allows you to create great effect on customers' PCs. For this job, the customer wants the lights set to rainbow with a walk effect. Access the monitor to begin. Lighting. Select everything. Oh, the rainbow effect. Jeez, guys, scared me. And walk. That's it. Wow, that's kind of easy. And where am I at? Let's check my shop. Oh, there it is. I don't know where anything is. That's done. I'll click the money. Hey, 220 for clicking buttons. Not bad. Dear Sir or Madam, here at South World Country Club, we host a very popular cheese and land soiree every year, which sees our members face off against one another in a classic titles such as Ultimate Strike Siblings. Not inclined to brag, but I should mention less. Okay, whatever. I'm sure you can therefore understand why my personal computer needs to be in tip-top shape. GPU is fine because you spent a crap ton of money on it. But the CPU could use a little more oomph. You could entice it to run faster. Be grateful. Yeah, okay. Need overclock the computer CPU. Connect all the cables. Get this thing going. And turn it on. Overclocking CPU is performed in the PC's operating system or BIOS. To access the BIOS, you need to hit F2 or delete as it boots up. Push, hold, spam, whatever gets you into the BIOS. Welcome to the BIOS. This is where you can see the PC's hardware settings and tweak them to add more power. Menu allows you to overclock the CPU, base clock and ratio. Damage the CPU. Great. Speed shows how fast the CPU runs and is a function of base clock times the ratio. So here it's 100 megahertz times 4 did to give you 4,000. Okay. So usually ratio for big ones, small ones. 44. You have to increase the voltage because it runs faster. Okay. Ooh, blue screen. Man, I miss those. I actually don't miss those things. Blue screen's a death. Most notorious pain in the ass. Welcome to the Oct app. Stress test the CPU and GPU after overclocking. Check stability. Also show if the CPU is getting thermally throttled from running too hot. Start the test. Okay. I have a feeling that it's not going to pass because they're going to teach us something here. I have a feeling. I'm always surprised if this just passes right off the bat. Let's see. Wow, it actually passed. Okay. Overclocking is complicated and you can damage your hardware if care is not taken with settings. Recommend you experiment with overclocking in the game. See how far you can push the limits. To test stability, which you can download from the drive. Okay, so wow, it actually worked, which, like I said, I was kind of surprised. I figured the game would give us one that failed on the first time. To say, hey, yeah, this is what you need to do now. But nope, it's like, hey, we're gonna do it. It's on its way. Hey, let's get to water cooling. Let's see how this goes. Water cool the GPU and add it to their existing water cooled loop. This need to remove the GPU. Add a cooling block. So this is something I've actually never been brave enough to do. I don't have like any water cooling in my computer. Move to the workbench next to you to add a water cooling block. You have to add the GPU block to it. First, you remove the screws and the heatsink. So, like I said, I just recently upgraded my GPU on my PC. Upgraded it probably a couple weeks ago now. So that's not the only really updating I've done to my PC. Just add any thermal pads. Move and replace the thermal paste. Here's the efficiency heat transfer between the GPU, because we're working on the graphics right now, and the heatsink, helping to prevent the GPU that we're working on from overheating. Make sure you always refresh the thermal paste when working on a customer's PC. That actually screwed me up in the first game. I forgot, after you take it off, you have to put it back on. And now we're going to take off the thermal paste, which is really cool the way that they've done this. Because now you can actually draw designs. So since we are glad that the game is finally out, put in a smiley face. Look how happy he is. Last thing is the GPU block. Oh look, it's the only thing we need. And screw it together. Chilled out. Take it back to the PC. Take it back and put it in. Put the graphics card back in. Connect to cables. Oh. I can't just... I'm already there. You need to create a single loop to allow the water to flow around and cool all the components. Start here. Go to there. Go to there. Into the pump. From the pump to there. Out of there. To there. I don't like that bend for some reason. I really don't like that. Everything else I'm kind of fine with. But this, like, J loop here, I don't really like it. You need to decide what color to fill it with. Yellows. Well, since it's our first one, and this is very much a blue channel, like the logo and everything's blue, you've got to find something like that. Blue opaque. Like, let's do the flex. GPU has been installed, now part of the water cooling loop. It's a PCI lock on the side. Cool. So put the things back together. The lock, which goes there. And it said the side panel. Don't know what the bay cover is, but we don't need it. I don't care about it. Ain't nothing. And since I just did the GPU, shouldn't have to make sure that there's a OS on it. Right. It works. Trying to get a little bit faster. Through the door. And we're done with that too. Ooh. Let's give your business a new name. Go back in the hallway and left click on the business name. Oh, we're not going to be Tim's Red Hot Repairs? Oh. Oh gosh, this is always the hard part. What do I want to name this? Ooh. Big Bear Repairs. I'm okay with that. I like that. Looks like you're now the proud manager, Big Bear Repairs. Don't worry if you change your mind, you can rename the business at any time. Okay. So that may not stay. I gotta figure out what I like there. But turn off the lights and get out of here. All in a day's work. Here you can end your day in advance of tomorrow. You don't need to buy any new parts yet, but in the future you may need to check that you have ordered everything you need before going home. Look at this calendar at any time to keep track of all your jobs, deliveries, deadlines, and bills. Yeah, I got to pay rent at the end of the month. So it started us back on Monday. So to the job yesterday and the customer's PC has arrived. Needs to be painted red. So take it to your workbench and let's get spraying. You find the dang light switch. Baby, lock the door and turn the lights down low. And back on and just stub my effing toe. Need to change and refit the workbench ready for case customization. Highlight the workbench and press B to change the type. Hey, case modding. Customers requested that the entire case be painted red. Let's start spraying. Oh, why you just wouldn't take the freaking max? Let's see. What kind of red do I like? I like a dark red. Nice even strokes. Oh, let's see. I'll get there. No, this way to rotate. Got it. All right, let's get painting. Let's get painting. Nice even strokes. All the sides are red and the job's done. PC back then. That's it. Man, that was easy. Staples. That was easy. Oh yeah, and we leveled up. What now? Oh, I got free stuff. I got cool stuff. Oh, it's a tablet. Uncle Tim has sent you a brand new tablet to help run the business. Let's take a look, see what it does. Effective apps, stands a camera, use to measure time more effectively. This is awesome. You can check your email now when you're not at the computer. It's great. It's what I wanted. Big Bob has agreed to redecorate your workshop for free. Sweet. What do I want? I like the futuristic right now. Yeah, I'll go with that. It's actually not bad. So there's probably something else for this. No, not making it all the same? Okay. Actually kind of like the wood floor. Like, I'm not gonna lie. What do we want to do? Painted beams. That's not bad. I like that. Okay, I think that's it. Can we do it out here too? Let's see. Can we keep going out here? Oh, only around the workshop. Dang. So the storefront still looks like this. Yeah, I really like this. Water cooling. Change this back. And that's good there. Let these be customized ones. I'll let that one be a case modding. Yeah, we'll do it that way. Oh, let's see what the emails we got. Hey, if you're reading this, you got that old PC mod up and running. I knew you could do it. They've got a new workshop and a computer, which means we're officially open for business. Only problem is money. Specifically, we don't have any. Yeah, actually, you took 15 bucks. I'm sure you can make do for now, but if you really need cash, the bank just might be able to set you up a loan. Just don't push it. Already asking me awkward questions about what happened to the old workshop. Thinking a trip abroad might be in order. It's never in order, Tim. P.S. I've posted you another little gift, something to help organize things. It should arrive tomorrow, so keep an eye out. Hey, it's what I'm on right now. That's done, that's done, that's done. Those are done. No, I leveled up. New parts. Cool. Replace air cooler. I'm super stoked to see a new repair shop in town. Totally sucks what happened to the last one. Hope they catch the guy who did it. It's probably my uncle. The way things are looking. Anyway, the air cooler in my computer is busted and the whole thing is really uncool. Like literally uncool. Really now. I can feel the heat coming off of it. Can you replace it for me? Absolutely. Not only that, I can find out which one you have. Prism. Add that to the checkout. Oh, next day delivery is free now. That's cool. So I guess I should have said something I did notice in the beta. From the email, go into the PC stats, and not only does it give you what the stats are, you can actually go to the shop, this little icon, and find that exact thing. So no more having to remember what the motherboard is, what the CPU is, what the air cooler or anything like that is. Pretty much if you can buy it from the store, you can hit this little icon, it will take you straight there. You'll add it to your basket. Some jobs require new additional or replacement components, so let's order a new air cooler. Shit, I got ahead of myself. When buying components, be careful to only buy components which are as good or better than the ones that they have or already want. Open the CPU cooling. As a filter. I really hope it doesn't make me buy this again. Okay, parts for specific jobs is one that can be brought up by interacting with the link icon in the checkout, delivery section, or inventory. Okay, so I'm getting two of these because I'm an idiot. And this is why you don't ever go faster than the tutorial. Well, I'm getting another air cooler. That's fine. I'll use it for some other job coming up. I can't believe I just did that. I can't believe that just happened. Well, I've ordered 2 new parts actually. Calendar to check when they'll arrive and find them in the hallway. And I think that's everything for the day. That's coming tomorrow. That's coming and the part's coming tomorrow. I don't like the deleted stuff here. I can permanently delete it. I probably won't because I won't care that much. But you could. Let's see. What else? I think that's it for today. Turn off the lights. Walk around here and crash into things. Stub my toe. Yeah, I'm getting 2 of those. Still bothers me. I got 2 of those things coming. But that's what I get. I try to know better than the tutorial. And this one's linked to a job. Alright, we'll open this. This on the table. You have the new air cooler, so now you just need to exchange it with the old one. Oh, I actually need to read at some point. What? Unplug it. There you go. Check it out. See, this is where it always gets me. You actually have to clean it. Install thermal paste. And we are still very much excited about the game. But very upset that we just kind of had to buy 2 air coolers. So meh. And you see down here it says sufficient paste applied, which means I can stop drawing. Okay. There you go. Okay. Wait. Oh, select a working air cooler. Well, this one's linked to the job. This one's not. I do like how it actually shows the face I just drew. Yeah, it is sideways, but meh. Some components can be rotated, blah blah blah. I don't care. It'll fit. Okay, I can't wait for this thing to be done so I can stop putting on the side panels at this point. We get all the things plugged in. So that's something that I've always done. Is I would always connect all the cables, then power it up, and while it's powering, put the side panels back on. I can't wait till the game lets me do that. Let's say, please tell me this thing should work. Say this thing should work. It's not that hard of a job. Oh, you can only see your calendar when you leave? Man, it used to be like one on the wall. Oh, there it is. It's on the wall. Check the email from here. Broken cooler, done. Hey, sweet. Actually made a little bit profit. Much appreciation. Exactly what I asked for. It's also perfectly matched the red you used to paint the walls, so you tripped over it. Nice. Party time, yes. Does that make you good? Bought this PC for playing music at house parties. Call him DJ Computer. Paint the outside case green so it contrasts with the sick red lights inside. But don't spray the glass. What if he wants us to spray the glass? Jay, my mate. Oh, this is awesome. So, I actually do know a Jay. I think from the UK area. I wonder if they do DJ stuff. That's gonna be cool. Assisting with virus protection or virus problem. Computer did run more smoothly. However, found myself in the teeth of another difficulty. You have no idea what an SSD is. The computer delivered a friend that shows me that mine has broken. It needs to be replaced. Kindly allowed me use of his laptop to send this missive. It's a word you don't see ever. But I'm leery of trying his patience too far. Do you see your way clear to replace? My gosh, why are they emailing with such odd language? Yeah, we'll do that one. Sausage job's not bad. It is this thing. Sausage drive. Sweet. That's what we need for the next day. So we have a couple of things showing up tomorrow. We have the DJJ bringing in his computer. We got to fix the SSD. But since the date in the game actually matches what day it is I'm recording, I can't think of a better way to actually end the day than with the day. I know that makes absolutely no sense, but I think it's cool. So with that, before we start with tomorrow's adventure. Let me go and just save it. Big Bear Repairs. Nope, nobody saw that. Nobody saw that. I can't type. Yep. So, ladies and gentlemen, that has been the first look at PC Building Simulator 2. If you're liking this show, this game, this series, whatever you want to call it, if you're enjoying it, I would greatly appreciate a like and subscribe to the channel. Just lets me know that y'all are enjoying this game as much as I am and want to see more of it. But until then, I hope everybody has a fantastic day. And I will see you all in the next video. Take care, everybody.